Hi, I'm Linda Tremor, and I'm going to review for you the new book by Dean Holland, The Iceberg Effect. Dean is a successful internet marketer. Well, maybe successful is not strong enough. He has two Comma Club awards from Russel Brunson of ClickFunnels fame. Russel gives a 2 Comma award to people who make $1 million using ClickFunnels, and Dean has 2 of them. I could go on, but instead let me tell you about his new book. Russel Brunson writes the foreword to the book. So what is the iceberg effect? Do you know it is possible to create the life of your dreams with affiliate marketing, yet very few people succeed? The iceberg effect reveals the next generation of affiliate marketers. Dean outlines his highly successful and revolutionary approach to building a sustainable and highly profitable internet business as an affiliate marketer. So let's look at the table of contents. Chapter 5 is the 4 core areas of focus. You are told just what you need to do so you don't wander off the path with worthless activities and go around and around and around. In Chapter 7, we have the perfect path to 7 figures. It's the program to take you from the ground up, starting from scratch, to growing a profitable online business and then scaling it to 7 figures. And of course, we have a chapter called The Iceberg Effect. I'm not going to give away what's in it. You'll have to get the book to see. By the way, it's free. You're only going to pay for shipping. Chapter 9 is multiple streams of income. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, so learn about multiple ways to increase your income. And don't miss Chapter 10, because he gives you the most powerful word in marketing. And Chapter 11 is the ultimate funnel. Dean is my mentor and partner, so click the link below this video to get the iceberg effect for only the cost of shipping. And the real cost of shipping is a lot more than you're paying. Dean is picking up the rest of that cost. How great is that? This book has everything you need to succeed as an internet marketer. If you're taking actions on the wrong things, you will never get your desired outcome. Find out the right things with this book. Click the link below. Plus, when you get your copy, you're going to be given a lot of extra freebies. So, go for it. It could change your life. Go and click the link below to see what the bonuses are and to get your free book.